Yo, what's going on, Back on Board crew? We're back with another one. It's a day we've been patiently waiting for. The paddle splash race on Jocassee. Small change of plans. I decided not to run the Savage River Unlimited board. I got to do some more figuring out with that board. And it's a good thing I didn't, because the wind ended up being crazy. So I actually defaulted to the Soul X board, which is actually 11-foot downriver race board. So I raced the under 12 6 class, ended up with first in my class, and it was awesome. Man, it was super fun to paddle in that much wind. I mean, I paddled in that much wind before, but not in open conditions like that. So I was able to get on some bumps and actually surf them with that board a little bit. But enough of that. I'm going to go in and hit y'all with this week's quote and get out of here. Success is the product of daily habits, not a once-in-a-lifetime transformation. Back on board. You.
My face above the water, my feet can't touch the ground, and it feels like I can see the sands on the horizon every time you are not around. I'm slowly drifting away, wave after wave, wave after wave. I'm slowly drifting. Like I'm drowning, pulling against the stream, pulling against the wave, wave after wave, wave after wave. I'm slowly drifting. My face above the water, my feet can't touch the ground, and it feels like I can see the sands on the horizon every time you are not around. I'm slowly drifting away, wave after wave, wave after wave. I'm slowly drifting away, and it feels like I'm drowning, pulling against the stream, pulling against them. Wave after wave, wave after wave. I'm slowly drifting. I can make it easy to love me. Still I reach, find a way. I'm stuck here in between. I'm looking for the right words to say. I'm slowly drifting away, wave after wave, wave after wave. I'm slowly drifting. Like I'm drowning, pulling against the stream, pulling above the water. My feet can't touch the ground, and it feels like I can see the sands on the horizon every time you are not around. I'm slowly drifting away, wave after wave, wave after wave. I'm slowly drifting, and it feels like I'm drowning, pulling against the street, pulling against the wave, wave after wave, wave after wave. I'm slowly drifting. My face above the water. My feet can't touch the ground, and it feels like I can see the sands on the horizon every time you are not around. I'm slowly drifting away, wave after wave, wave after wave. I'm slowly drifting, and it feels like I'm drowning, pulling against the stream, pulling against the